Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your account location or country in Roblox. If your Roblox account is showing the wrong location, or you simply want to check where your account location is set, follow the steps in this video. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Now tap on your profile icon or the More menu, depending on which version of Roblox you're using. Next, open Settings. Inside Settings, look for Account Info. First, change your desired language. Now, under Account Info, look for the Account Location option. Tap on it if the option is available. Here, Roblox may show the country or region associated with your account. Then log out. Another device, which you don't want. Then tap on Help and Support. Now fill up the form accurately, then submit it to change your account location. And that's how you can check or change your account location in Roblox. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video,